So, I know. On the other one, I want to appreciate all of you who who supported our Oluidens Day. It was a blast. Everyone saw it. It was huge. We thank God, we bless God and our ancestors for that day. It was a very successful day. We had a great event. We understand that by next year it will be a lot bigger. We'll start preparation early enough, much later this year, for next year's program so that we can have we can have a robust program on Eden. So I pray for all of you who took Olu Eden's Day as a very remarkable day. All of you who celebrate it. I pray for the blessings of Eden, of Olu Eden, to be upon everybody who believed in our heroism. And we pray that all of the good things that plans, ideas that Eden had for Benin Kingdom should start to manifest in our lives as proud children of ours. And we are changing history. We are making history. We are creating history. There's never been this possible before now. But we're making a lot of history. We're just making history every year. We're just making history. But in course of Olu Eden's Day, I also had an observation. I don't want to speak about it. I've been pissed for some few days now. A couple of persons tried to reach out to me that what's going on, and I was like, I'm pissed by some people of our people who doesn't of some of our people who call themselves Edo people that have one group or the other. I do not gain satisfaction by having a group. I don't do live videos on my GBD page. If you look at the live video where when we got to Olu Eden's grave, a man wanted to pray for me. Eventually prayed for me. As he was about to start praying, he told me, and I didn't want to sound as if, okay, now I get a mic in and all of that, because to me, I felt it wasn't necessary. A women or bungbe, that sort of thing. But I just felt I don't want unnecessary eyebrow, people raising unnecessary eyebrow, and at least Zodo and I get the group and all of that. So I didn't want him to mention my name. But when he started to pray, I just withdrew. I went to the back. If you go check the video, because I don't want anything to be about me. The major reason I overall state like this is because I'm not interested in overall being a group. I'm only interested that when I come out like this, we'll talk, we'll discuss what that borders Benin Kingdom, our history and all of that. We'll go home. It's not, but I see some of our people have create group without recognizing groups that has been doing still the ideas of the groups that they came to meet, and trying to replicate what the groups that they're trying to meet, try to replicate what they are already doing, and I turn it to theirs as if they were the original bearer. And they do it so confidently. I have seen a lot of people turned all my hard work into theirs. Last year, I saw one guy, I think they say the guy based in Canada. The guy is quite huge. Also, he speaks very good English too. That he was the one who invented Olu Eden's Day. And I was like, some people called me from Canada that look at what they heard. And I was like, they told Organ Yogibe inventor and all of that. You know more here. Is otherwise an authority. If I'm not, I'm led, I do things by the dictates of the ancestors. I do things by the dictates of the ancestors. If I wake up tomorrow, when we did the first Queen Eden's Day far back, celebrate the first Olu Ideze far back 2018. I remember when Nekmen Obaseki, when she was giving an award to me, and Chifute Tenegiabi. I remember what Chifute Tenegiabi told me, that in your lifetime will you see that this day become recognized as a day for all Edo people. I'm seeing all of that already. So I don't near the Unity that sort of a thing, but I get very tired of our people's stupidity, some of our people's stupidity, not understanding that. For me, I met people who encouraged me, and I've never always stopped talking about them. Late Dr. Isee Hagosa, Mr. Akorigio Babafo, Professor Yilawa Swanlele, Chief Osemigiero, and quite one other too few persons. Learned history from them. And I always acknowledge them every day where I go. You understand? So, there are some certain things I don't want. What I hate most is I stay away from propaganda. Anything, although you know, I don't like it. I came in from Abuja 2 days ago. Outside this, I'm a very busy man. Some of our people came from overseas who are my followers. Some have been trying to see me for weeks. They have been unable. Okay, I'm a say why are you and all of that. But if I do this, you understand? I do this for out of like I said, when I was going this Sunday, it was a club. But I cannot do it. Instead, CY Osas. Some of you know him now. CY Osas. He's around. Women go and sing like Paladiano Gadoriemi. And I was like, CY Osas, you know that this Sunday, last Sunday, Maladian, you have one with 2 weeks. This Sunday now, not loud. Not going to have a live video. Not TV are true. Then I make not loud. You can song. Mami, but otherwise now I'm a CY Osas. What's him? His name is CY Osas on Facebook. He ma worry me when I walk one. Ma wa dark with it. So when making one, you want call, you ma enjoy life. But yet, I decide to ponder myself inside my house all alone and do my live video. So if people think that again, I don't understand. I mean again, but just for the love and from the passion that we have for our Father's land. Then I don't see why people comes into the scene and try to take ideas that they never owned from the beginning. A lot of persons have tried to run with my ideas. None of them have succeeded. You cannot run more than the real owner. So that is why I've seen a lot of my articles, a lot of it. I think the last one that I saw it on Edo Community. In short, they even removed a hand. There's a popular article that was going on last week was 9 ancient gates of Benin Kingdom. 9 ancient gates of Benin Kingdom. Some people, I think it was Edo Community, that's their Facebook name, removed my name. I wrote that article sometime June last year. Removed my name, PM, and remove my name, and removed where the source, because I got that work from birth to death, written by Chief Samigbe. They removed my name. I removed the source that I put there, and they put Edo community. That is how stupid some of our people are. I see people's article online, and when I post, I do not touch. It's criminal. You're not supposed to touch people article, whether Ebony Agmeyo or Magmeyo or Magba. You're not supposed to touch until you contact the real owner of the article to say that, okay, Nana, I wanted to make corrections, and when it gives you a go ahead before you can make correction. Like the article that I posted, an article I saw, all right, I didn't know who wrote it, but the owner was one Oshoidi, one of the sons of Oshoidi. He later chatted me. I saw it on our WhatsApp page, Benin Cosmological Group. I saw it and I loved it. And the title was The Woman Who Broke Benin History. All right. I posted it like that. Some people, like my respected EPA, Mr. Paul, Dr. Paul Igbeneweka, had said that it was deceiving for me to have written The Woman Who Broke Benin Tradition. That I should have said that the woman who changed. And I was like, I'm not the author. I cannot alter what I did not write. It's stupid. Omana Gbemi, then we hang it poster, where he copy, we're not to change him issue. That's stupid. The way we are saying crime in intellectual theft. It's stupid. You can't do that. But I see tens and thousands, hundreds. I don't think anybody has written more articles on Benin history than I have. The reason I don't write anymore, I used to write. If you knew me in 2017, 2018, 2019, early 2020, I was a writer. I write. Then I wasn't doing live video. I write, but I discovered that when I write in less than 30 minutes, and I begin to see some of my articles, our money, there are some people who doesn't like me, I know. And wherever they say Manson, I'm always, it pisses them off. So they are fond of removing my name, editing it and removing my name and sharing the article. So when I discovered that they were always doing that to all my articles, I stopped writing. I started doing live video. When in live video now, we're having to remove a face or remain, while removing face remain, a man born voice in there. And you can't remove my face now. Who in a live video now? Honestly, in a way live video. Otherwise, there's a tendency I won't have been doing live video. Understand? So, I have understood our people all of these years, so I don't try to foment troubles with any of them. Once I sense you, like I tell people, once I sense you from afar and I know your intent is not genuine, I'll block you. There are one or two people, I have left their group. I'll soon block them on Facebook very soon because I'm beginning to see their intent is not genuine and pure. I'll soon block them. Because when you think you're smarter than someone who has sort of paved the way to an extent, then it's rather childish. Anyway, let me not say beyond this. But I'm just saying that people, why they think that they are smart, they are actually foolish. And when I see them, and when I'm close to you, when I begin to see you from afar, and I know that you are misbehaving, I block you. That's how I blocked that other guy, Niati Abolo, because I saw his intent many months ago, and I blocked him because I knew Ori Egbema. Or Mari Egbema, I blocked him. If I see anybody will misbehave, if I see your intention, if I sense it, that this is how you will turn, I'll block you because I don't have time. I'll just block you. And I too like peace of mind. One of my favorite song, Narema song, Peace of Mind. I need some peace of mind. So, me like a piece of mind, dog. Make me, may I go and cool. It will block you. So, so me. See, the truth is that anybody can accuse me for anything. Like I always say this, I will say it again. You can accuse me that I am rude. You can accuse me that I am stubborn. But what you cannot accuse me of is this. One, I will not use Benin matter for my own personal profit or gain. I do not have that intention from the very beginning. I don't have that intention now, and I don't have that intention in the future. So that's one. Two, I do not seek for recognition. It's not my thing. What I do is, I'm sure that the ancestors are blessing. I'm being blessed every day. So some people who knew me 2 years ago knew that I was a guy who was trying to make and hence meet. Now I have a company that is growing a lot of business. We just established another one in Abuja. So I am being blessed. All the things that I sacrificed for Benin, I am being blessed in return. So I don't have any reason to feel that I should be recognized. Amen. Why should you even recognize me? It is not important. In short, so I don't do what I do for recognition. I don't do what I do to be paid. And I genuinely love Edo land. I wish na go say make ancestors open our mind. The way I say love Edo matter. The way genuinely, selflessly. You know, some people knows now yesterday. You're about the few young boys who I've seen that will put his money to fight for Edo people. So when I see you as selfless, we naturally will bond. But if you're selfish, anybody who wants to use Benin matter to blow, you know if he blow. Amen. Do I blow? Otherwise, if you say you want to use Benin to make money, you will. You know, see most of them they will enter her sleep. Yeah, you can't cope. You can't. I have been on the social media space defending Benin since 2017 to 20. That's 5 years. I have never felt it like a team I fame there. That's because in my eye, I've never had an intention of using a do to do a key. So I'm not perturbed about anything other than to do what I need to do. I was in Mewaru there. I was in the celebration of the return of the artifact inside the palace when I saw the Sahara reporters. I had to leave. Thank God my laptop was inside my car. Thank God my laptop was inside it because I could not wait to get home. I could not wait to get home before I could do a rejoinder. So I just left there, went to my showroom at the back of the palace, took my car, and I drove to somewhere inside GRA to sat down, took a bottle of red wine. No, red wine is good for the heart. Then right there, inside where I was taking red wine, as I get going, the rejoinder sharp. So that, because people already had tagged me, had reached out to me that, what do we think we do? I was like, let's just educate them. Well, people said I shouldn't have insulted the Yorubas and Igbos. Well, the reason I did insult the Yorubas and Igbos, to drag Yorubas and Igbos into the matter is that when I went to the Sahara reporters, when I saw the post, I saw a lot of Igbos and Yorubas insulting the Benins and the Oba of Benin. So many have a boy in I've seen a lot of Igbo people now. I say have their own. They came to probably they saw my name on the post or some of the people who posted it on the Sahara Reporter page, and a lot of Igbo people have come to my own personal inbox to say that what concerns the entire Igbo. And I was like, what concerns the entire Benin? A post, a false allegation was made against the Oba Benin, and then your people started saying that, started insulting us and insulting our Oba. So, you know, though all those people, they are always fond of doing first. And my retaliating and avie. So I be dragging out I'm lucky that I was not really settled. If the girl also I never reached us. If I had gotten to the house to really write the kind the kind leg of them, may I drag it like that. Report my Facebook page in my Mark Zuckerberg in there. Menoga. Funny enough, I have never been. Funny enough, I'm the one guy. I don't know why. I'm one guy. Funny enough, that Facebook has never blocked for even 1 hour. I don't know why. Funny enough, I'm one guy that Facebook has never blocked for 1 hour. Funny enough. You know, Bomet Dian said. So anyway, I think we're running up now. So I just wanted to give you guys some of those information to see that we're in good course. Everything is good. Some of our artifacts were returned. The only 2 artifacts they returned were what 2.5 million pounds. If, for example, we are converted, that's about 1.5 billion naira. Only for 2 artifacts. I might be over 4,000. No wonder some people wanted to go and build their museum. They are making a dual artifact of my view. No wonder. Our artifact is not for sale. It's for the palace. So no showing, no veering. Every single artifact is going to the Oba of Benin. Every. I tell you, I'm on artifact. Didn't you guys see the only 2 artifacts near there? Okboru worth 2 million pounds. 2 million pounds. Then Unwilao worth 500,000 pounds. That's 2.5 million pounds. Maybe when I do the mathematics, and that's about 1.5 billion naira for only 2. And we get over 5,000 of those artifacts everywhere in the world. So when you value it, it's in trillions of naira. Also, if you do your math for the rest of life, there are another artifact of a man. Another here 30% of artifacts. If you Isee do Benin person, I the 20 million the dad to go establish. I so tell me business. So, so and now I tell why I hear the black market. How will you? No, I no veer. No, just imagine only that 2.5 million pounds. And we have over 5,000 of such. Where the mathematics? It's in trillions of naira. I'm not saying billions of naira. Our artifact is trillions of naira. It's billions in dollars. Or what? You understand? Or what? Everybody saw a wooba. No, why me woo woo at the end of time. Everybody must woo someday. Not be waiting and wave and ya boo or swag. So no, why me woo woo. artifact belongs to the Oba of Benin. So, so are artifact grabbers. Are artifact grabbers. Are artifact grabbers. Grab artifact. I will give you. So make una relax. By next year, till Saloba be before the end of this year. Have your. At what still the Edo people will donate money to build our own museum. Or agi bagbe, agi 100,000 each Edo person or 50,000. I have the museum to be man. Now have your. At worst case. We don't need any government to build our museum for us. We can build our. At worst case, every Edo person I pay 50,000. If 1 million Edo people pays 50,000, we more even on here. Where with the mathematics? If 1 million Edo people pays 50,000, well, man, that's sufficient enough money to build one of the best museums in the world. I be artifact of Mayo. A revenue ni have a guy ni be man who will be accrued from there. So. Hello. I just want to see. I want to use some people cash cruise. This is no, they ever bring the money, but they have started the archaeological excavation. You know, the British, they are bringing €4 million for the archaeological excavation. It's going to take I think 2 years to complete that archaeological excavation. The day they started it, one of my brother informed him that they have started the archaeological excavation. So they are doing some excavations already. So enabled by the Oba of Benin, not by any person. So for that archaeological excavation, you know amulele or we had to so when you run, I had the Jimogbede we se gari aye. We mind metana. Even not I'm speaking in parables since you are supposed to have called Jimogbede. I say who might die. We don't need any of the Edo state government parastatals to even come. We are very contented with the way we are now. What anything the palace wants to do will be self-funded by the Edo indigenes. You understand? Will be self-funded by the Edo indigenes. A museum in Mawe Niwo. You understand? I always believe in the power of numbers. Mawe Niwo, white boy, anything now, white boy. Government, so we don't need anybody. We are Benins. We will take our destiny in our hands. We are capable of doing it. Not true. But jealousy na for Bayam. If you not follow it, don't come. They cry. They say we'll be slave of the Oba. Now I say yes. It's number one slave of the Oba of Benin. In short, all those useless Igbo people, me they always cut my video. Muna cut this part. You see my hand for up. Emaswen Amowe Zodua. From Igbekwe village of Iyekorion. You see, I raise my hand up right hand. I am a proud slave of the Oba of Benin. So help me God. So help me God and our ancestors. Who want cry, make it cry. So that not concern us. Uh, uh, I don't miss him. No one cry. Yes, we are slaves of the above. We agree. We agree. So we're not denying. That's what you think it is. If that was what you think it is, yes, it is. If that's what you think it is. So, and we are very unapologetic about it. Uh, so, yeah, Zaga what does. Anyway, anyway, I think I had great time with all of you here. Oh, if anybody wants to call through, you can call. I don't if I want to go on. No, I don't want serious discussion. Today is let's just be happy. Let us be happy. If anybody wants to call through, we will go on through video. But I get tangled. That's why we type man. Oh, yeah,